Everyone, stop what you're doing. I have a Kindle accessory must have that I need to share with you. Now, I'm sure most of you have heard by now of the amazing Strapsicle. They just look like this, two little straps to hold your Kindle, and it makes it so much easier. It's honestly life-changing. I have wanted one for so long, because I've seen them everywhere, and now my life is finally complete. I'm gonna show you how it works. Testing. We're doing a voiceover. All right, Kindle, you got your straps. Let's go. As you can see, it's clearly labeled top right and top left. Sweet, simple, to the point. That's what we like. All right, we're popping the top left over the top left of our Kindle, as we would. Look at that. Absolutely stunning. And you can keep it like that if you would like. It's completely up to you. Now we've got the top right, popping that on the Kindle like so. Oh, slay. Absolutely stunning. Look at that. It is so pretty. And then yeah, you can just pop your hands in. You can have the double straps as well. It's completely up to you. Look at that. So easy. It's not going to fall on your face.